Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Manfrotto rail system that I've got for my studio lighting. So it's 13 feet long. Now it did come by a semi, and I've got these rollers in here for cables. These are for the lights. And then you do have to buy these mounting brackets for it. But the rail is very sturdy and looks really, really nice. So the rail cost $250, but shipping was quite expensive because it had to come by semi. Yeah, shipping was almost $300. Now, I did order this off of B&H's website, and it came by semi relatively quickly. It took about 5 to 7 days, but they only had it in plastic. And I did get a few scratches on it because in the semi truck, the plastic got torn. It was kind of a thick plastic, but I really would have liked to seen the rail protected a little bit more. So here's what the ends look like. And these rollers, they just glide right in. Now this is the older company, Manfrotto bought them. So I had to buy these used off of another website. But Manfrotto does make some and they look identical to these. These are the ones with the stop. And they got ball bearings for wheels. But they were on back order for 3 months. Now these are the cable glides. Now they also sell a version of these that are ball bearing. I probably would have gotten those because that's just a plastic wheel that slides in there. You can zip tie your cable to this and it turns. So I did buy the end stop ones also, but the end stop ones are exactly the same as the cable runners, except they come with a bolt that you can put through with a nut. Both of them come with zip ties and they come with this thing here you're going to snap on there. But the end stops are exactly the same. I don't know that I would have got the end stops as far as the cable cartridges. So the end stop, there is holes here in the end. You're still going to put it through. It will have a cable thing here you can use, but that's to keep stuff from rolling off. You can see where I touched up a few marks with a Sharpie. Now I will say it works really well. They do glide very, very easy. Now the brakes on these don't work the best, but they do kind of hold it. I put me some little shelves up there with some receptacles that are on a switch. So when I turn that switch on, it turns all those receptacles on. Got this for about $160 off of Amazon. It's okay. You can see the light kind of does make it bend a little bit, but it's got like a ratcheting action, but it actually holds this light and everything really well. Push up and it'll go down. So yeah, it works pretty good. And it's made just perfect for these. Now the brackets are a little tricky. You're going to put the bolts in first and wrap it on and clamp it onto the rail. And then you're going to put the screws in. And both sides are the same. And for my 13-inch or 13-foot rail, I bought 4 of those mounts. And I made sure, I've got wood. I made sure that the clamps, these screws, and the one over there is going into 2x4 underneath the drywall. So I did a lot of research on these rail systems for video lights. There's just not a lot of them out there. The Manfrotto does seem like a really, really nice one. It looks nice. It just works really good. It can be a little hard to find, and of course shipping was kind of expensive. I will put links to all of this stuff in the show description notes. So underneath the video, if you click the word see more, you'll see product links to where it'll take you to show you the products. Underneath the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. That helps out my YouTube channel. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.